What's up, guys? It's your boy Just here today, and we're going to be doing a bike check for 2018. Now, I still have some parts that I need to get, so if it doesn't look like the best, you know why, because I still need to get my parts. So yeah, first off, we're going to start with the handlebars. I'm still running my DK handlebars, like them a lot. Running my Vans Colt grips, did the Boyle method, made them longer. That's what she said. We running those Eastern tires, of course, front and back. Also, we have what's called the front rim is just a random rim. So yeah, the forks we are running. I think a mongoose. I don't know for sure. Stem mongoose, of course. We're actually running a new frame. It's a Hyper. Friend Miles borrowed it. Go over to his channel and say thanks, and tell him I sent you. And also, we got a new sprocket. If you can't see, I think you guys can see it. It's an Eastern sprocket. Then we're running some 3-piece cranks with some Federal. Hang on, let me get a better angle. With some Federal, 3-piece, 3-piece pedals. We're running a new hub, of course, still. Well, not real new, but it's newer than what I used to have. But yeah, there it is. It's a 9-tooth cask. And the parts that I'm probably going to be getting new is a new seat, possibly a new chain later on, a new stem probably, but that's, and also I've been having some problems with my, forks. So what I did was I took the old bolt off of my racing thing, this one right here, and I sort of put that on there, but it's working actually pretty good now. I like it a lot. I mean, yeah, I've been having some up and downs, but I fixed it finally. Got it to working pretty good. And the only part that's messed up right now is the hub sound. I made it quieter because I put some grease in it, so I mean, yeah, it doesn't sound like the what's it called, free coaster, but it might, well, it might sound like it, but it's not a free coaster. It's how quiet it is now. But yeah, that's my 2018 bike check, guys. So if you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, leave a like, and stay awesome. Peace out.